The 2013 DMC Lamborghini Aventador Molto Veloce by Prestige Design and ADV.1 Wheels. DMC Tuning's Molto Veloce program for the Lamborghini Aventador has been a hit for a lot of people, including its contemporaries. That much was evident after another one of these Italian raging bulls was treated to DMC's tuning kit, on top of new components and a new set of wheels from Prestige Design and ADV.1 Wheels, respectively. To be completely honest, the first words that came out of our mouth after seeing photos of the program were, "Wow. That's an absolute stunner of a supercar that has been dressed in a comprehensive body kit that includes a carbon fiber front diffuser, a carbon fiber lip and splitter, a carbon fiber side flap and a carbon fiber side skirt." The Aventador also sits on a set of ADV.1 wheels, further adding to the look and feel of what already is a drop-dead stunner of an exotic. No engine mods were added to the Aventador, but still, with a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 700 horsepower, we're not complaining one bit, especially if the Aventador looks like this.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.